It's morning in Washington, the dawn of a new day, a rebirth of spirit and intention seen across the nation's capital, especially at the city's only public university, a world-class institution soon revitalized with world-class features. From this to this, introducing the Capital Improvement Plan at the University of the District of Columbia. A campaign of epic ambition, a vision for historic transformation, and a bold challenge to students. Come or stay here. We dare you to find another university more committed to its own advancement, your advancement, and mutual excellence. It's a $50 million project for fiscal year 23.
The revenues that we've been able to receive not only from the district, but through auxiliary enterprises have been significant in the work that we are striving to do in terms of moving the university forward.
Forward-facing, future-focused. Think of it as an entirely new day for you. For you as a student, enjoying new, state-of-the-art facilities, upgraded classrooms, laboratories, and $11 million to make UDC's libraries the best. There's new dining facilities and food options in the Student Center, from Chick-fil-A and Fuddruckers, to national brands.
It will impact the student experience greatly because food services plays a very significant role in both recruitment and retention.
A $15 million investment to create world-class athletic fields.
It's going to make us look way more enticing for new prospective students.
Boosting the music program, beefing up wraparound services, and a breakthrough. A never-before-seen technology hub that allows students to sit, study, gather, and grow. All of them enjoying a laptop, printer, and advanced technology.
This is very attractive for incoming students and as well as adult learners.
This new day for you, also for the universe of funders. A constellation of citizens and citizen leaders.
But when the city allocates its dollars to the university, it gets a tremendous return on those investments because we're producing an educated citizenry, we're paying for staff, and this built environment helps to produce students that are able to contribute to the DC economy.
For staff and other stakeholders, a new day for you as well. This capital campaign creating automated parking. No worry if there's a parking attendant to get in and out of the garages. Morning, noon, or night. And fewer worries about being exposed in a cyber attack.
Increasing the cybersecurity posture of the institution, which ensures all the right protection for the data, especially the personal identifiable data.
While also providing the best technology solutions and experience for students. To do all of this, the university obsesses over financial stability and sustainability.
We always are looking to be good stewards of the district's resources.
From being good stewards to being good neighbors. This new day for you also helps the Van Ness community. Home to over 20 embassies. International influences perfectly paired with a global university. Everyone in the neighborhood will soon benefit from UDC leasing space in its buildings. To Mom's Organic, All Care Medical, and others. UDC is even considering residential housing, since that means higher graduation rates and helping disadvantaged populations.
International students, they need housing in the district. It also supports economic development in the city because it retains talent in the city.
UDC is also keeping everyone safe, recruiting police and partnering with MPD. So how will this ambitious transformation affect the student experience? From junior Firebirds today and rising Firebirds tomorrow.
It makes everyone excited to be here at the university.
I always walk around happy and excited to tell people about the institution I attend, and now I see that same energy being matched by the students.
All of that provides a competitive edge in ensuring or converting prospective students into enrolled students.
Where when you walk on UDC's campus, it's like walking on any other campus. We have now bridged the gap where we're competitive, which in essence really truly brings about a sense of pride, a sense of commitment, a sense of loyalty, and that we are invested in your success.
Invest, innovate, educate at UDC. It's truly a new day for you.